Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make between $2,000 to $4,000 and even 1000% of your initial capital on the Bybit IDO platform. But before I proceed, use few seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free and more informative content like this. And also join my Telegram community where I drop quick updates even before I upload them here on YouTube. So with that being said, on the 14th of July 2023, we got an update from Bybit that says that live on Bybit Web3 IDO GameSwift. So when I click on it, it will take us to this IDO platform. This is the Bybit IDO platform where they launched some coins, whereby you can get some coins even before they launch, you understand. And you can see that in progress. GameSwift is about to be launched in 2 days, 9 hours and 12 minutes. That is why you can see this icon that says in progress. But when I scroll down, you'll be able to see other crypto projects that have already been launched fully, both on the Bybit ecosystem or other crypto exchanges, you understand. But before they launch fully, Bybit had to partner with them for them to give a little percentage of their total supply or their circulating supply to Bybit users, understand. And these tokens will be given to you even before the launch, meaning that they'll be given to you at a pre-sale price, so that when they launch you can get up to 1000%, 2000% of your initial investment. So for example, if you take a look on this last project that says that Web3 Camp, you can see that when you click on view details, you can know more about this project. You can see that the subscription period started around 11th of January, you understand. So this project that have already ended, and you can see the details, their website, their white paper and their contract address. And you can also see that the snapshot is on the 15th of January, which is like 5 days later. Then lottery 18 and redemption 18. So that means that within a period of 8 days or 7 days, you'll be able to see that people will be making between 500% to 2000% of their initial money they used to participate for the IDO. Now when I scroll down to the IDO detail, you can see the information. You can see that all participants will have an equal chance to win in the lottery allocation, you understand. Holders of the winning tickets, just like that, you understand. And you can see that total ticket is 200 tickets, meaning that only 200 people out of all Bybit users will be eligible for this IDO, and you need 200 USDT for one chance, you understand, for you to participate for this initial coin offering. That means that you'll be using your 200 USDT to buy this token at the price of this launch price, you understand. So this is the launch price, and the total token allocation is 4 trillion, which means that 200 people are going to share this total issued token, you understand. So 200 people are going to share this token. So let me try to open my calculator first and do some calculation, you understand, to know how many each individual will get. So when I type in the total supply, which is the total offering, 4 trillion divided by 200, which is the total number of people that are going to win for this IDO, you'll be able to see that each individual will get 20 billion worth of this 3p. Remember that this is a past project, so I'm using the past project to try to predict what might happen in the future. And this project is on BSC, so this is just an individual earning, you understand, meaning that people that participate for this IDO are going to get 20 billion of this token. So when I copy the address, which is a contract address, and come to CoinMarketCap, I want to find out the current price, which is the price this coin went to when they launch. So you can see that I paste the contract address, and you can see the chart of this token. You can see that around that period when they launch, this token went upward, you understand, which did almost 1000%. So when I click on this price performance, click on this 24 hours and put it on 1 year low and high, you can see that this is the price, the highest of all, you understand, when they launch. And this other side is the price when the lowest price when they launch. So let me copy this address, this, which is this figure, you know, the figure is too much. So let me come back to this IDO and open my calculator. So I want to make some calculation. So this 20 billion multiplied by the price, the highest price, which is the price it went to, you can see that people that participated for this IDO made over $3,900 for this IDO, and they invested only $200. So this is how crazy this kind of opportunity can be, you understand? And remember that this 3.9k dollars they made is from $200 investment, you understand? So when I do something like minus 200 USDT, you can see that they'll be making 3,710, which means that they even made this money, not that they'll be making. This is the money they make, people that sold at the highest point, you understand? So that is crazy. So when I do times 800, which is the current price for USDT, you can see that it is almost 3 million naira from $200 investment. That is how crazy this kind of opportunity can be. And that also applied to other projects. But one thing you need to take into consideration is that all these projects listed on this IDO are different, meaning that they have different marketing strategy, potential, and utility. So a project that can give you 1000%, another project might not give it up to like that, you understand? But one thing is that everybody that participates on IDO must make money, meaning that you can get up to 200%, 300%, you understand? So when I do some calculation on this new project, you can see that the total issued is 3.3 million divided by 500 people that participated. You can see that an individual will get 6,600 pieces of the coin, you understand? Remember that they are investing only $100. So when I copy the contract address and go back to CoinMarketCap, as usual, I paste in the contract. You can see this, the token. Then I open it, and when I just wait for the chart to load up, you can see the past movement of the chart. So I got to put it on all. You can see that this coin did terrible, you understand? So that means that if you're eligible in this kind of opportunity, from the chart alone, it's telling you that you should just sell off instantly, you understand? So when I come to this token performance and put it on one year, you can see that this token went to $0.02 apart from the listing, which means that the token went up to like 300% or 400%. So when I copy that amount and go back to the IDO platform, then bring out my calculator, and I'm going to multiply this token, which is this 6.6 thousand per person per ticket, by the highest price, you understand? When I click OK, you can see that this is like 160, which is like just 60% of the total money, you understand? So that means that some projects might not give you up to even 1,000%, but the guarantee there is that you must make profit. And the way you make profit is by selling off instantly once they list it on the exchange, you understand? So that you don't have to wait for anybody. Now, I'll not be going through the detail of all these other projects, but I believe that you understand the concept of this Bybit IDO. And this is another opportunity Bybit have given us again. You can see this new project, GameSwift, which will be launching in 2 days, 9 hours and 1 minute, you understand? And from what you can see that the total issued is 3,472,222 GSwift token. And you can see that the total amount is 50,000 USD. And the chain is on the Arbitrum network, you understand? And taking a close look on the project again, you can see that the redemption amount is 200 USDT, and 250 people are going to be eligible for this IDO only, meaning that only 250 people are the people that will be selected for this IDO. And when I click view details, you can see all the information associated to this IDO project. You can see that I've done mine, which is successful, and this is my ticket number. But pay close attention to these details. It says that participants must have a Bybit account or a wallet with a balance of 300 USDT on the Arbitrum Chain. Since this project is built on the Arbitrum network, or they are using the Arbitrum Chain, that's why they are saying that your USDT should be on the Arbitrum Chain. And when I scroll down, you can see this information that says that all participants will have an equal chance to participate for this IDO, which is just the normal way, you understand? And you can see the detail about this project. You can see that the listing price or the launching price is 0.0144 USDT with a total winning ticket of 250, and the price, which is the redemption price, is 200 USDT per ticket. And when I scroll down, you can see this IDO timeline, which is very important. You can see that the subscription period or the warm-up period is starting on the 14th of July and end on the 18th of July, you understand, which is Tuesday. So you can see the subscription period, which is also showing at the top. And And when I scroll down, you'll be able to see this snapshot period, which is on the 18th 10 UTC, which is 11 a.m. to on the 21 10 UTC, you understand, which is still 11 a.m., which is like between Tuesday and Friday, you understand. So you are watching this video within this week, it means that you still have a chance, you understand. So that is a snapshot period. And remember that participants must have a Bybit wallet with a balance of at least 300 USDT on the Arbitrum Chain. So they are just emphasizing on that, you understand, for it to be eligible. So you should have at least 300 USDT on the Arbitrum Chain, and 3 snapshots will be taken per day during the snapshot period, meaning that even though you don't have the full money yet, so within the snapshot period you can just deposit any of those days so that they can snapshot your account and try to be part of this IDO. Remember that this is very, very competitive because Bybit users, there are over millions of Bybit users, you understand. So imagine people that want to participate for this kind of stuff and they just need 250 people. So like ideally I won't even put all, but I'll still give it a shot so that in case anything that's up on my own account, I'll know that okay, I'm still lucky, you understand. So that is why I subscribed. And the lottery period is between 21 July, you understand, which means that that's Saturday 11 o'clock to 11:30. That is the lottery period. And what is this lottery period? So this lottery period is basically the period by which if you are among the 250 people that will be selected for this IDO, this is where you have to pay that $200, you understand, so that you get this their IDO token. You understand my point? So that means that this lottery period is where you pay that $200 that is being needed for one ticket for you to get a part of this GameSwift token on your Bybit account, you understand. But remember that you can be snapshotted, meaning that your account can be snapshot for this IDO, but you might not be eligible for this lottery period, meaning that you will not lose any money even though you are not eligible. Your money, which is your $300, will still be on your account, but that $300 is needed for it to be snapshotted, you understand. But the actual money you are paying for this token is $200. So when I scroll down, you can see the redemption time, which is a period, still on that 11:30 a.m. till the next day 11 o'clock, you understand. So that is a period by which you'll be giving this token to your Bybit account, and that is why you can see participants selected in the token allocation lottery can check their allocation, you understand my point. And remember that this initial redemption, at the beginning of the stage, you'll be given 50% of the token, you understand, and you have to wait for like 5 months to get the remaining 50%, and those 5 months will be distributed 10% per month, meaning that it's just like a passive income stuff, you understand, but you will get 50% of that instantly, you understand. So if you have if the potential of the coin is around like maybe like $1,000, you will get the instant $500, you understand. Then within the given period of time, which is a period of 5 months, you get the remaining 50%. And remember that in those 5 months the price might go up or come down, so it all depends on you, you understand. So now from my own personal calculation, if you are lucky enough to be a part of these 250 people, you will get 13,888 token of this GameSwift, and the price is 0.0144. But what if this price gets to $0.1, which means that the price gets to $0.1, you understand, which is like 500 to 1000%. And when I click equals to, you can see that you'll be making $1,388 from your $200 investment, which is like, let me say 600%, you understand, which is not bad within just short period of time. But remember that you'll be giving 50% of this money at the instant, meaning that you get your instant $700, or let me say $650, you understand. But the remaining 50% will be distributed in a vesting period of 5 months, which means that every month you'll be getting 10% of that money, you understand. Now if you know you really benefited from this video, make sure you show it by liking this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure that you join my Telegram community so that you always get updates first, even before I upload them here on YouTube. And as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.